What? The world, it's not a plan. Watch how I go on. Carefully. Front side. Choosing one. The 10-star general. You know I'm come to represent a full effect thing. Know it go already. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Eh? You know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. The people's champion. What you mean? Yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this now. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Watch me the Gaza Nation. Yo, the World Boss album there, if it drop yet, you know. I have bad-minded people, you know. I push out, you know, enough, you know. And not talk about, you know. The man not deserve, you know. Forgetting a Grammy, you know. You believe that? The album there, if it drop yet, you know. I have bad-minded people who are come out. And I said the man not deserve. Forget no Grammy. That's what I deal with. I will watch Buju Banton, you know. They are prison, you know. And get Grammy, you know. And when them come home, you know, them see that, you know. That's what I say. Yo, are them some small-minded people still. Because here we are going. Respect, you know. Respect, Jim? Alright. A small-minded people, you know. Because you don't know. Them not have nothing to do with Grammy settings. Because Grammy no response to them. Now, what them I talk, say? Watch! Me so come! You alright? For real. So me I make you know Grammy no response to it. Them a deal with. But them a deal with that fucker. You know what I mean? Because them want hate on the man because some of them is not. Them have some different artists with them flavor. And them a hate on the man. And most of them we hear a chat. And some local society people them we itch up and think so well then them better off than anybody else. So me I deal with. And two other man rise up. Two other man rise up, you know. And get and him name established famous more than even them. And be a little bad mind and grudgeful thing. But when it come to the internet and you see all some blogger all pick up that and all chat off them out like that. If you know them blogger they are living shishki bag, you know. Respect here, brother. Alright.
So now we go.
And blogger they are real shishki bag, you know. And a gimmicks business me a deal with, you know. Real thing me a deal with, you know. Because we not gonna talk about the man not deserve for getting a Grammy. How comes? Why you say him there prison? The music not lock up, my brother. What not chat about? The music lock up. Or not go like say the music lock up. How long Bob Marley passed away? And now when him passed away, him get album of the century. So we are not talk about. What not talk about? Is what me I deal with? Yo, someone you know, or some little clown, you know. We don't know about nothing and not talk about, you know. If you know. Lisa hype upon the album, Skilly Bang upon the album, if them can get Grammy, you go and see. Think I want a Grammy response to you know, and a look lollipop mouth or a rascal chat out that. And I think Grammy response to that, eh? Or what una chat say, you we see. Yeah. And when them get nominated, I want to go there go take it down. You see what I deal with? I don't know, joke thing, remember, you know, when you jump, you know, and say fever now go nowhere, you know. The thing past goal, you know. Almost the platinum, you know. 800 and hot copy gone, you know. When they did a tweet off on the mouth, you know. The platinum plaque soon drop, you know. Soon deliver, you know. The platinum plaque soon deliver. So I can't stay there. I see how I don't know whatever talk about the platinum plaque. Because the Grammy we are aim for. So when boy you got a lot of talk about say Buju Banton I go drop him album and things say well then. Because Buju Banton I go drop him album and him have the Marley Brothers on it and John Legend and whatever you want to talk about. Yo. Him could have Michael Jackson on it. Man not care about that. A vybz kartel you talk about the world boss. The impression where the man set in the world right now, people listen to him, people gravitate to him. How much white people no watch a black about him? Eh? When I hear anything you step out the street from your wall out here and you know get that mean it never meant fear, my brother. You rewind and come again. What not talk about? What is the Caesar Joe and the Caesar, my brother? And we are putting the work. You see what I deal with? We are putting the work. And the material, the evidence, them there for sure. And from we are putting the work, we must get paid. And what happen to you? We care who a drop album. Respect to Buju Banton, no disrespect shit. Because you know Buju Banton I'm a general in a real life. You see what I deal with? But me I say, when some man I come and talk about. So because John Legend them dep on the album and Lisa Hype and Skillybeg, the boss can't get no Grammy. We're gonna go on with no lone thinking self-esteem self, you know. And not bring that to Gaza people, you know. I tell you, you know. Let me tell you something, you know. Gaza man them, you know, one of the most flyingest gangster, you know. You have, you know, we deal with dancehall, you know. I think you can call us good fellas, you know. And a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? And the girl them independent. And that's why them not deal with body wash. 10 stars, stop that. You see what I say? A real thing me I deal with, they don't know a real way we go Gaza way, they ain't no other way. So when some bad-minded boy come and talk about the general not supposed to get no Grammy, let me tell you something. That boy not lucky, you know. Not more sound, you know. So, you know an entertainment thing, you know. And them shit there, you know, but more while, you know, when you run some serious joke, you know, I don't have to know some man not deal with lollipop thing, you know. I don't have to always remember, you know, see a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing, you know. You better understand on yourself, you know, or bend down and blow on yourself, you know. You hear that? Nobody watch your color, you know, because no boy can't punk it, you know. We have to understand how we set it, you know. I'm a gun me use and make it, you know. You know me not easy. I grade me smoke, me not bun beady. You hear me? The general, the 10-star one, I represent in a full effect. And you know each and every time I represent and sound the big thing, the man drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion about here. Watch me in the Gaza Nation, because you know the trademark already, you know what's coming. Eh? Watch. Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way, you know. Yo, a 10-star, you know. The general, you know. The chosen one. The people's champion. Gaza favorite. Watch. Wow.